Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the iPad, and the iPad came out on what, Tuesday, Wednesday? I wasn't really sure because I was studying for finals, but iPad's out and Apple released a new SDK, so I'm going to show you that SDK today. So this is a new SDK. I downloaded it off the webs, and if you go to these specific folders, you'll find the iPhone simulator. Now specifically, this iPhone simulator is this is the iPhone simulator. Um, this is the iPad simulator. They actually didn't change the name. Now, the reason why they didn't change the name from iPhone to iPad and create a totally different application or a totally different simulator is because the iPhone and the iPad runs the same software with a few significant differences, but the core OS is very similar to iPhone OS. The iPad OS version number is actually 3.2, and it's called iPhone OS 3.2. And the iPhone OS that runs on the iPhone 3GS, 3G, Edge, that's called the iPhone OS 3.1.2. That's the latest version. So the version differences aside, it's very similar. So I'm going to just run an application called GL Paint, and as you can see, very smooth. Oh, actually, it doesn't really matter if it's smooth or not because this is an emulator, not the real device. But I can do whatever I want. I can, do a shake gesture, and actually that doesn't work. All right. Well, there's a few bugs. You run it 2 times, which is basically native, almost native resolution. Now you'll notice that the iPad, the screen is it's not a widescreen. It's not a widescreen. You can display nice video content like HD, but like 720p, but it's not the screen itself is not a widescreen ratio, not 16 by 9 or 16 by 10. 16 by 10 is using computers, 16 by 9 is using TVs, which is why the resolution is 1024 by 768. That's a 4:3 ratio computer screen. So that's you can draw stuff on it. Yeah, it works just like an iPhone app. And it also resizes to 1x. Now, I imagine that some people will be complaining about this button here. It might get in the way of certain applications. When you're running them, you might have a button here and you're confusing it with the 2x button when you press it. But other than that, the iPhone simulator works quite well. So I'm going to click that little tiny button. Goes back to home screen. There's no Safari or anything else like that. Usually there's a few applications here like in the iPhone simulator, but no such thing here. It's just settings and contacts, which I have no contacts. Alright, so that's it. That's just a little brief tour of the iPhone simulator. Now I'm gonna go and switch to the iPad.